how you doing? I hope you're very well. Today I will teach you how to start drawing using a pencil, not only to trace but to measure, and from there begin to structure your drawing.
One of the basic points to draw make it look strange for people who doesn't know what are we doing. A simple pencil can easily replace a method, with which we will be able to locate our model in the work area in a faithful way.
The technique is very simple. Do it as follows. We place our pencil at the full distance of our arm, in front of our eyes, in order to record the objects in front of us. We position the pencil vertically and horizontally without tilting it, so as not to obtain drawings misshapen.
Only one eye is used to take measurements and one finger to record. I prefer the thumb. Take new measurements each time. If you are not sure of a measurement, repeat it. Keep in mind the margin of error. When you work in different planes, your records will have relative measurements. Be careful with this. A simple pencil can be a powerful tool for locating your reference lines. When you focus on the model, you blur the pencil. When you focus on the pencil, you blur the model. Keep this in mind, since the records will not be exact measurements, they will only be supports. As for the records, we will use the measure to scale or interpret. Sometimes we will have a smaller measure than our work area and we will multiply it by the many necessary to occupy the entire area. On smaller areas, we will interpret them.
Always use the resources that are at your fingertips, in this case the pencil. It is excellent to start measuring and drawing. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Enjoy art and see you next time.